welcome back to my channel. So I am currently standing in my beautiful white kitchen. I'm so excited. We just finished the transformation and now it's white with the gold knobs. It's so beautiful. So I can finally start the process of unpacking. I still have quite a few boxes kind of in my dining area that I need to unpack. I need to wash all my dishes. I need to add drawer liners to all my drawers. So that is what I'm gonna be doing today. So let's get into the video. Figure out if I wanna wash my dishes first or at least run them. I'm probably gonna put them through the dishwasher just so that they can kind of get rinsed, and then while the dishwasher is going, I'm gonna actually start the process of doing my drawer liners. So because my cabinets are white, I picked up some marble drawer liners, and it's interesting because I did not plan this. Like, I'm actually kind of wearing all white. So I have two different kinds. This one is the peel and stick, and this is like actual, like you just kind of cut it and place it. I'm probably gonna use both of them because I'm gonna use it not only in my drawers but also in my cabinets as well. And with the cabinets, I might use this. Both of these came from Walmart. I think they were like maybe like $5 or $6. Like, it's definitely not expensive at all. So super excited for that. But yeah, I just want to clean out the cabinets, wipe everything down, wash my dishes so that I can finally start the process of putting things up, putting things away, and then, like, you know, decorating just a little bit on the countertops. For the most part, I want my counters to remain clean. So I'm not gonna have a whole bunch of like appliances and stuff out, especially if I know I'm not really gonna use it. So yeah, that's kind of what we're doing today. Let's get started. So I just got back from Walmart, okay? So I'm about to do a little mini Walmart haul for you guys because, listen, I am very shocked at the things that I was able to get for the low price, okay? So I am in the process of creating my luxury dream kitchen, okay? The first step was painting the cabinets, which, let me move out the way so that you guys can see. They look so good. So good, okay? So I'm about to start the process of, well, continue the process of unpacking. I ran all of my dishes that were boxed up through the dishwasher so that they could be nice and fresh for when I put them up in the cabinets. I also got some more marble liner. So the liners are looking so good already. I put them in some of the drawers, but this goes really quick. Again, this was only like $6, but if you plan to use this, luckily my kitchen isn't super, like, I don't have that many cabinets. I mean, it's still a lot though. So yeah, just make sure you get you enough. And they have two different sizes. So I realized the first one was probably about half this size. This one I'm gonna use for the larger cabinet. So yeah, so this is one of the items that I got. So super excited to just kind of finish that out. I also got, where I don't even know where I want to start. Okay, let me start with the pots, because so when I opened my boxes, I realized I only had like 2 or 3 like pots and pans, and I'm just like, what happened to all my pots? So I went and bought more, and I saw this really cute, first I saw this really cute pot. It had like a gold handle and it was kind of speckled on the inside. I was like, oh, this is real cute, and it seemed like it was quality. It was a non-stick skillet. And so, but then as I kept walking down the aisle, I actually saw a set of everything. So I am super excited, okay? This is called the Time and Table set. Oh goodness. It's a cookware set. It comes with 12 pots and pans, This is what it looks like. I'm gonna actually unbox it for you guys. Okay, so this is the timing table cookware set that I got. It is 12 pieces. As you can see, it was $99, but I think, you know, it's worth it. It's super cute, the aesthetic of it, and it comes with much needed pots because I have 0. So I am gonna go ahead and open this for you guys so that we can see what they actually look like. Now, if I don't like it, it's going back to Walmart. Okay, I'm gonna get my $99 back, but let's see. What is this? Okay, this is throwing me for a loop because I've never seen this before, so let me turn this box around. 4 cookware protectors. Oh, so I guess if you're, so these are cookware protectors. So I guess if you're like stacking pots together or whatever, like this won't allow other pots to like to scratch up the other pots. That's nice. What a pleasant surprise. I didn't even know I was getting this. Okay. All right. And then the last pot is this one. This is so cute. So I think, does this go with this? Look at that. Look how cute this is. Okay, I'm about to show y'all this on my stove. So the next thing I got were some plates because also I only had like 4 plates and like 4 bowls. I'm like, yo, what happened to all my stuff from my apartment? I don't know, but I was walking and I saw these matte black plates, and I like it because it actually, if you could see, I don't know if you could really see this, but it has like a gold edge to it, and I love it because it's real like subtle and simple, but this is definitely my aesthetic. So I fell in love with this, so I grabbed 4 of these plates, and these plates were only, well, I'll tell you that in a little bit. I'll tell you how much they were. But yeah, so this is also from the Time and Table brand. I'm actually about to look this up because I'm like, is this a Walmart brand or is this an actual like brand and they sell it? I mean, of course it's a brand, but I'm just like, yo, they got, Time and Table got some cute stuff. This is also a bowl. Yeah, this is like a little, oh, it's a soup bowl. So this is a soup bowl. It's the same type of, ooh, these are glass, so yeah, just don't drop these. But they're cute though. It's super cute. So I'm gonna kind of sit it down so that you all can get a better angle, because the lighting isn't really that great. Let me see. Yeah, okay, so this is better. Okay, yeah, so you could kind of see it's like gold. Yeah, so super cute. And then let me just show you guys this one more time. So yeah, so I love this. I'm gonna show you how it looks in my actual cabinet. Came across this plate, okay? This is so cute. They actually had quite a few kind of like china plates with different prints and patterns, black and white. They had another one that I really liked. It was kind of like white, but then it had black like polka dots on it. They had like marble, white marble, black marble. I mean, they just had so many, but I thought this really like caught my attention. I was like, yes, like I'm really about to be eating from this, okay? Eating my breakfast, making my omelets or whatever, and eating from this. And I thought it just looked really good, like balancing out with the matte black and then also this. So super cute, you guys. I'm really about to show y'all when I do my whole kitchen walkthrough and reveal like how it actually looks like when you open up my cabinet. So that's super cute. And then this salad plate also came with it. Now this actually comes in a 12-piece set, but I was just like, I don't know, I like the idea of being able to mix and match my plates so that they're not all the same. I'm just like, if I saw this pattern in like bowls and cups and all this other stuff, I feel like I would be really tired of it. So I opted not to get the set from this. And you guys, these plates were really inexpensive. I think these were $4. The big plates were like $4. This was like, I don't know, maybe $3. You know what I mean? So like, listen, Walmart, okay? Like these were not expensive at all. So I was like, let me cop these because they are so cute and they definitely give me the luxe type of vibe that I'm going for in my kitchen. I have been wanting gold silverware for such a long time, okay? And so now that I have a white kitchen with gold knobs, gold accents, like I just thought that this was so cute, okay? This is cute. Like I could not wait to get my white kitchen with gold accents so that I can get gold silverware, okay? I'm so pressed. I'm so pressed. So they had this at Walmart. Like all this stuff, if I would have went to Target or anywhere else, like I really would have spent like a pretty penny on all of this stuff, but like everything I needed at Walmart, y'all. That's crazy. That's so crazy. So I also picked up these kitchen mats, and the reason why I got this one is because it very closely resembled the one that I already had. So this runner I had in my apartment, and I literally saw this at Walmart. This I think I got from Marshall's or TJ Maxx, one of those stores. This I got from Walmart, okay? This was only $10. This was only $10. It is not that thick, it's very thin. And actually what I think I want to do is get a solid black rug to kind of layer on top of that, because I think that will look so cute. So I just have not found the right one yet. So I actually picked up two of these, one to go right in front of my sink and then the other one to go in front of the refrigerator. But I really like the way these mats kind of look in my kitchen. It just really makes it look so good. So good. So yeah, so love these mats. Definitely a great find. Okay, you guys, so here is my Walmart haul plus the rugs. Don't forget about the rugs, but look at this. So I'm about to pan. Look at these pots. They're really cute. Yeah, Walmart. Talk about luxury. Okay, luxury on a budget. Y'all better stop playing with me. Stop playing with me. Look at these tops. Yo, this is me all the way. And I love how it's real subtle. But these are, I mean, just having these pots here is going to make my life so much easier to cook. You know, I don't have to wash dishes every single time I cook. And then with the gold, look at the gold accents. Look around the plate. And then look at this, the matte black with the gold. And then you got, look at this. Okay, now let me pan out so that y'all can see with the kitchen and the vibe that I'm going for I'm about to redo this. I mean, obviously it's nighttime, y'all, so the light isn't, you know, the light isn't the best. So when I do a full tour, I'm gonna make sure the tour is like during the daytime where you can see how pretty everything looks. But I love it. I'm obsessed. I'm obsessed. Ugh. Okay. Now I gotta wash all this stuff and put it away. And I'm about to cook. Okay. About to make my first meal in my new kitchen. I'm so excited. But yeah, so that's the haul, you guys. Love, love, love everything so far. Alright, y'all, so that is it for my Walmart haul. Okay, if you are looking for home goods, luxury home goods on a budget, don't sleep on Walmart. Okay, I am very shocked. I do not go to Walmart that often, but listen, decorating a whole house from scratch is expensive, so I have a budget to keep. Each room I have a budget, so I will definitely be checking out Walmart a lot more, but I'm super pleased with my purchases. I cannot wait to show you guys the entire transformation once I really put everything together, put everything up and organize my cabinets and all of that good stuff. So super excited. So make sure you subscribe if you are not already, and leave a comment down below and let me know what you think. Have you found some really good finds at Walmart in the home goods section specifically? Let me know, because I'm working my way up throughout my entire house, so let me know what I should be on the lookout for. So thank you guys for watching, and I will see you all in the next video.